Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 14 from the chapter of heat and thermodynamics. The topic is the calculation of a resultant temperature of a mixture of ice and steam, and based on this topic I have one question for this session which was asked in the NEET examination few years back. So the question here is 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees centigrade is mixed with 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees centigrade. So the resultant temperature of the mixture is, so there are four options here and we have to find the correct one. So here in this case, when the ice is mixed with the steam which is at 100 degrees centigrade, then this ice will absorb the heat energy from the steam and will get converted into water at 0 degrees centigrade. The first step will be that ice will get converted into water at 0 degrees centigrade. Then this water at 0 degrees centigrade will get converted into water at 100 degrees centigrade by absorbing the heat energy from the steam, and then this water at 100 degrees centigrade can get converted into steam at 100 degrees centigrade if sufficient amount of heat energy is available. So the first step is that ice will get converted into water by absorbing the heat energy from the steam at 0 degrees centigrade. Now the latent heat of fusion of the ice is equal to 80 calories per gram. That is, if I give 80 calories of heat energy to 1 gram of ice, then that ice will get converted into water at 0 degrees centigrade. And the latent heat of vaporization of the water at 100 degrees centigrade is equal to 540 calories per gram. That is, if I give 540 calories of heat energy to the water at 100 degrees centigrade, then it will get converted into steam at the same temperature. So in this case, when the ice gets converted into water at 0 degrees centigrade, then that is, when ice gets converted into water at 0 degrees centigrade, then in that case the amount of heat absorbed by this 1 gram of ice in getting converted into water at 0 degrees centigrade will be equal to 80 calories. Now this water at 0 degrees centigrade, that is water at 0 degrees centigrade, this will absorb the heat from this steam, and it will and its temperature will increase up to 100 degrees centigrade. So that is given by the formula, that is ms delta T. Here mass is equal to 1 gram. The specific heat of water is equal to 1 calorie per gram degree centigrade. So this is equal to 1, and delta T is equal to 100. So again here 100 calories of heat energy will be absorbed by this water at 0 degree centigrade in order to raise its temperature to 100 degrees centigrade, and this is the amount of heat energy which will be absorbed from the steam. Similarly, this 80 calories of heat will be absorbed from the steam in converting the ice into water at 0 degrees centigrade. So the total heat energy which is used from this steam will be equal to 180 calories. Now the steam is at 100 degrees centigrade, and here we have got 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees centigrade. So the total amount of this heat energy which is available with this 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees centigrade is equal to 540 calories. So out of this 540 calories, 180 calories will be utilized by this ice in order to get converted into water at 100 degree centigrade. So the remaining this heat energy, that is 540 minus 180, this is equal to 360 calorie. So this is the amount of heat energy which is left with this steam which is at this 100 degree centigrade. Now what will happen is that see, 540 calories of heat energy, or you can say 1 gram of water requires 540 calories of heat energy in order to get converted into steam. So here what will happen that some of this water which we have got after the ice has got converted into water by the absorption of heat from the this available steam, what will happen that some of the water will get converted into steam by utilizing this much of heat energy. That is 540 calories is required by 1 gram. So 360 will be required. So 360 calories will convert how much? This is approximately equal to 36 upon 54 grams of water. So this is roughly how much? Approximately, this is approximately equal to 0.67 grams. So 0.67 grams of the water which we have got after the ice has melted and got converted into water at 100 degrees centigrade. So out of that water, this 0.67 grams of water will get converted into steam, and the remaining will remain as water. And when this 540 calories of heat energy is utilized, which is available with this steam at 100 degrees centigrade. So what will happen that this steam will get converted into water at 100 degrees centigrade. So this resultant temperature of this mixture of ice and steam will always be 100 degrees centigrade, and this mixture will be a mixture of steam and water. So the correct option here is A. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, we will be coming up with a different type of a question. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.